The Eco Pro Series LED screen is one of the top-rated cabinet designs of the YuChip brand. With a 10.42 pixel pitch, it is primarily designed for outdoor applications. This project includes custom cabinets with 2 assembly methods, 90 splicing and flat splicing. The LED lamps are equipped with enhanced protective masks, providing additional protection for the lamps and improving safety and stability during use. This order covers a total of 351 square meters, and all LED screens for the order undergo unified aging tests in the workshop. Before shipment, LED screens undergo thorough aging and anti-vibration testing to ensure stable performance. The 10.42 pixel pitch outdoor screen model features an average brightness of 6,700 nits. The YuChip Eco Pro Series LED screen can be perfectly applied in any lighting environment.